Hello guys, my name is Sudhir Sani. So today we will discuss about the Windows Server migration, like how we can migrate the Windows Server. So in this situation, currently we are using, just assume we are using the SQL Server 2016 and Windows Server also 2016. But company has plan to migrate the Windows Server, not the SQL Server. SQL Server company want to keep the same 2016, but Windows Server they want to migrate to the 2019. So in that case, how you will handle this situation? So let us discuss on the top level, high level. So I will explain here some steps, step by step. So and some other day we will do this practice on the demo also. So what you need to do is, first of all, you need to build a new server, buy a new hardware, or if you have some Azure or cloud machine, so create a new virtual machine and install the Windows Server 2019 OS. This is the first step, and second step, once you have the ready Windows Server 2019, so install the SQL Server 2016 on it. Because we don't have any plan to upgrade the SQL Server, only the Windows Server we need to upgrade. So in that case, we will install the same SQL Server 2016. So once you install and you are ready with SQL Server 2016, next step is backup user and system database on your old system and move it to the new system. So you need to back up all the system databases on old user and system both from the old server and move to the new server. It's like a simple copy or some other methodology you can use. So once you have the backup available on the new server, now restore master and msdb database back. So you need to restore a master and msdb database. So this is not very simple restoration, like you just have a backup or restore. So sometime like msdb or master database it's very critical, and there is very tricky to restore from other database. So you need to check other video. I will create other video. You might get the description link in the description, how to migrate the master and msdb database. So once you restore the master and msdb database, this will create all logins, jobs, and other system objects. Okay, so now you are ready with the master database, and then you need to think about the user database now. So choose the best user database migration method. What do you want to choose? Like you can use the log shipping, listing, always on, mirroring, ssma, or simple full backup in case of you have enough downtime. In that case, you can take a simple full backup and restore on the uh, new server, and then just connect the application to the new server, and it's fine. So anyhow, this is step. In this step you need to choose one of them. So what is the whichever suits you to migrate database for all the databases. Okay, so in the next step, once okay, you already database, you already restored the user database also using one of this technology. In the sixth step, what you need to do, on the day of cutover, stop the applications, put the database in read only mode if possible. It's not a mandatory actually. Okay, so and bring db online on the destination system. So in the destination system you need to bring the database online. And the seventh steps, connect the application to the new system. So in that case, if your applications are still using the old system and you are no plan to keep the same server and instance name, then you need to change the configuration or a connection string in the application. So anyhow, this activity is not the db activity, but applications team also will be involving in this activity. So and they will do it, and you need to involve them. Okay, so if you don't want to change the connection string, keep the instance name of SQL. So I mean, if you want to keep the same instance name, what your current server is using for the new server as well. So what you need to do on the cutover day, you need to rename the old server name as a like old, and once you rename the old server name, the name is now available to use for other machine. So in that case, you can rename your new server also, like new server name and the instance name, and then you need to wait for 10 minutes for the propagations, and then you are good to go. And once you wait and everything is fine from your sides, and you just need to make sure, like just verify whether post change host name user uses, So you can fire some tsql command, or you just need to check whether everything is fine. You are able to connect to the SQL server with the old name or not, because your old server already renamed to the different name. So if everything is fine, then you are good to go. And this is all about the server migration. So thank you guys. This is all the I wanted to share with you. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment box. I will try to answer you all of them your questions. So thank you.